Hey guys, this side Kanaya here, and in this video we are going to learn some new vocabulary which are very important to learn and which are very important to know. So let's get started this video, and this video is really going to help you in your vocabulary building and in your conversation also, because these are the vocabulary which we usually stuck in a conversation if we do not know the meaning exact English of that word, so we stuck in between. So let's get started this video, and after watching this video you will not get stuck in your between when you're talking about your ancestors. If you're talking about something very old thing like pustani, so you can use these words as well. So now let's get started. For the first thing I have purvaj. So we call purvaj to ancestors, our purvaj. Okay, we our ancestors. Then we have pustani, like our ancestors has given so many things to us, so those instruments and those objects are called pustani. So we call that in English ancestral. Okay, then we have swarg and nark. To swarg we call in English heaven, and nark is hell. Like we always use go to hell, so it's same like go to hell, nark mein jao. Go to heaven, swarg mein jao. So heaven and hell. Then we have sathi, comrade. Comrade generally we use in army, like whenever we get a buddy with us, so that we call comrade, sathi. Okay. Then we have kalpana. Kalpana is imagine, like we always use if you are dreaming something, so we can also say it's your imagination. Then we have thanda karna, cool down. Garam karna, heat up. Don't heat up to me, otherwise you will see consequences, or you can face consequences of this. Okay, then we have chinta and bechain. Chinta is anxiety and bechain is anxious. Chinta, anxiety, bechain, anxious. Then we have pasina and pyasa. Pasina is sweat. Okay, pasina is sweat, like if you are living in a hot weather, so you might get sweat in your whole body, and you can, after sweating you can feel thirsty. Okay, after sweating everybody feels thirsty. So thirsty means pyasa, like you must have heard the story of thirsty crow, so that is same, thirsty, pyasa. Then we have here bhigna, get wet. Everybody gets wet in rain whenever it comes after a long time, so everybody used to like this rain and get wet. Then we have sukhana, drying. After getting wet in the rain, we dry ourselves from a towel or from a dryer. Then we have khushbu and badbu. Khushbu we call in English aroma, and badbu we call in English stink. Okay, so this was the video. I hope you would have learned some new vocabulary and you're going to use these words in your daily conversation. So let's meet in another video, and till the time you can subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this only. And definitely if you're watching our whole videos, you might be increasing your vocabulary every day and your conversation too. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye, have a nice day.